Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we're diving into the vibrant and joyous celebration of Náw-Rúz. Náw-Rúz, also known as Náw-Rúz, marks the beginning of spring and the Baha'i New Year. It's celebrated by millions of people worldwide, especially in Iran, Central Asia, and among the Baha'i community. Náw-Rúz is all about renewal, hope, and unity. Let's break down the symbolism behind this beautiful festival. Náw-Rúz falls on the spring equinox, when day and night are equal. It symbolizes balance and harmony. Families set up a Haft-Seen Table with 7 symbolic items, each starting with the Persian letter S. These include Sabzeh, sprouted wheat; Samanu, sweet pudding; Senjed, dried Oleaster; seer, garlic; seeb, apple; somak, sumac; and sirke, vinegar. Náw-Rúz encourages unity and connection. Families visit each other, share meals, and exchange gifts. Náw-Rúz traditions vary across cultures, but some common practices include spring cleaning, shahar-shan-be-suri, fire jumping, wearing new clothes, and feasting. Náw-Rúz transcends borders and religions. It's a time to celebrate diversity, embrace unity, and foster understanding. So whether you're enjoying a sumptuous meal, jumping over fires, or simply spending time with loved ones, remember that Náw-Rúz is about hope, renewal, and the promise of brighter days. Thank you for joining us today. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video. Until next time, Happy Náw-Rúz.